Here I am using SuperMap iDesktop 10i software and welcome to this great mapping platform. Here I create 2 maps and 7 layouts. In the first step, I just tell you a short brief of my work such that how I do this and what I want to do. At first, I create a new data source by right clicking here and then click new file data source. After creating my data source and then I right click here and then click import dataset for just import my shapefile, digital elevation model and my all Excel data. For prepare my data, I just need to mosaic the DEM, that means digital elevation model, and need to append column. For mosaic the DEM, I go to here and then click raster mosaic and then I select all and click OK, and then my DEM is ready to use. And now it's need to join the attribute table of population data with administrative boundary shapefile. So go to here and click append column. Set the right position of your source data and target data. Here you need to select the field which you want to join. You should remember that the types of the join field should be white chart format. Okay, now all of my data is ready to use. Select all data and then right click and then click to add to new map. Yes. And now you can organize your layer as you want. You can create thematic map from here. You can also choose ranges map or level map as you want according to your need. You can fix your minimum and maximum scale according to your need. And then click here for save the map documents. You can change the name from here and click save. You can create layout from here by right clicking and then click new layout. You can choose blank template or many other templates just by double clicking on this. You can change the paper size or paper margins or orientation. From here, you can expand your page as much as you want. It can be horizontally or vertically. From the object operation, you can insert your maps. You can insert your north arrow. You can insert your map scale. You can change the size as you want. You can create grids from here. You can also create legend from here. So that's all. You can create maps and then you can export it as your wish. You can export it to PDF format or can picture format. You can change the resolution and you can save your output location. You can change the file format JPG, PNG, bitmap and as a TIFF file. You can change the picture name. So that's all. So now let's talk about our maps. First, see this. Here you can see the map. The more you can zoom, you can get more details. This is the country boundary of Bangladesh and this is the 8 divisional boundary of Bangladesh. The color of the map represents the population density. For shows the population number, and for better understanding you can show the layout map. This layout map may clear your confusion. So back to the map. You can zoom more. This is the district boundary of Bangladesh and this is also same. The color represents the population density, and for this the better understanding you can show the layout map and show the symbology, that means legends. So go to the map. You can zoom more and get more details. You can now you can show the railways and primary roads. You can zoom more, and that's the secondary roads, and this is the Upazila, and in the upazila level, you can zoom more and you can show the tertiary roads. And after a more zooming, you can show the terrain map. You can get the school, college, university, hospitals, bus stations, railway stations, cyclone shelters, and the residential roads over these zooming maps. That's the residential roads. If you show the hilly side of our country, you can understand a better terrain map. That's it. The Chittagong, this is the hilly side of our country. This is the capital city of Bangladesh, Dhaka city, which is very well known for its population density. You can better understand from here. Here is many residential roads. That means here is the full of built up area, educational institution, hospitals, bus stations, railway stations, and that's all are surrounding this area. These maps may give you a clear idea of the population density of Bangladesh according to the divisional site or district level or upazila level. You can also get a clear idea about the surface, that means the terrain surface. You can also find the primary, secondary, and tertiary roads. You can find the railways. You can also find the educational institute, hospitals, bus stations, railway stations, and the residential roads. So hopefully this map may gives you a clear idea of the thematic and terrain site of Bangladesh, and I will make a map which represents the thematic to terrain all characteristics of my country. For better representation, I want to select a division. For clipping the Chittagong divisional all data, including more details, you can go to the maps, then go to here and select object area clip all, and select all, and then just click OK. Here is your all data regarding clipping. Look this. See it? That's it. This is the Chittagong district, and now it's need to process the data again, and the method of the data processing has been shown a while ago. So now let's see the map. This is the details. We can see the Chittagong division. You can zoom more again and you can zoom the details, and this is the all districts including in the Chittagong. You can show the color range, color. The color may shows the population density, and this is the Chittagong district, which is the mostly dense population. You can show the railways and primary roads, and this green boundary is the upazila boundary. This is the secondary roads. You can zoom more and you can see the tertiary roads. That's the black. And now you can see the terrain map. In here you can see more and more roads and many school, college, hospitals, bus stations, railway stations, and you can understand this is the main Chittagong city. So you can zoom more for more details. That's at the residential roads. That's at the cyclone shelter. Chittagong main cyclone shelter. Here you can see the hospitals. You can see the railway stations. You can see the bus stations, and gives a terrain idea. This is the coastal region of Bangladesh. The more you zoom, you can see more details. You can see the name of the institution. For gives a clear idea, you can show the layout map. You can see this. This is a full details. This is a full details. You can show the educational institution, bus station, railway station, hospital, cyclone shelter, residential, primary, secondary, and tertiary roads, railways, and upazila boundary. You can zoom here, and you can see more clearly. So now let's see another. This is a map. I want to try to create a thematic to terrain map trends in the full project, and this layout may represents this. You can show the Lizensia, Nataraj, scale bar, and the upazila level. This is these maps create the left side map may create the population range. You can show the legend, the minimum population to this population, and this population to maximum population. So this is a range map. I discussed it before. You can see this. This is more detail from the divisional level. It goes to the terrain level. This called the multiple map in a frame. Here you can see the divisional map legends, scale bar, and the north arrow. Here is the district level map, and this is represents a B, and B1 is the details of district level map. That means the railways and primary roads are extra show here. There is the legends. C is the upazila map. This is a range map. Because I create a population range here. In this map, you can show a show individually a population number here, but in this case you can show the range. Hopefully that's are all in a same range, and you can show another many things in the legend. This is the upazila level details map, and after this you can show the terrain map. This map may includes the elevation of the earth surface, and you can show this here by more zooming. So that's all, and if we show this that in the first map in the upazila level we use the individual data of the population, and the second map in the second map we creates the range for the population data. So that's two are different, but in the whole project I try to show that a trend of thematic to terrain map by more zooming. This is for the first map, and this is for the second map, and those two finishing all are the same. So that's all, and now let's see our layout map at a glance.